Hey everyone, so this video is going to be an overview of Mini-QPA number 1 for Unit 4. So I am about to share my screen and we will get going on what you need to do to complete this assignment. Here we go. So as a reminder, this unit is focused on systems of linear equations and systems of linear inequalities. So remember, systems focus on two or more equations or inequalities in order to find what are the solutions to these functions or systems. So for this mini QPA, you are focusing, remember, on systems of linear equations. So these are going to be set equal to each other, and they're only going to be one solution. So this is just one solution, so you should only have one answer, x, y, for how these two equations work and what your solution is. So I will be inserting the video that you are currently watching right here, and it's gonna be great. And yeah, and then that's just what you're gonna do. You're gonna launch right into the mini QPA. So remember, up in your Google Classroom, all the documents are there and it has made a copy for you already. So you have a few choices. First, you could just launch right into the QPA and just get going. I recommend that you just go step by step, as this will be more of a guidepost and more of like a trajectory of how to complete this. So first you want to begin your mini QPA and read the instructions, y'all. I'm gonna repeat this. Read the instructions. We're gonna repeat it a second, third time. Read the instructions, y'all. It has all that information that you need so that you're like, you're not like, what the heck do I do? So read the instructions. Then you want to answer questions 1 through 3 based on the chart with the car information. So remember, you're comparing two cars, setting up equations, and it has all the information that you need. Then you want to answer questions 1 and 2 in part 3. And if you are stuck on how to create linear equations, totally fine. Totally fine. Remember, we're focused on slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form, and you were working on that in Unit 5. Take a look at this video in notes. And then you want to use GeoGebra, which is pretty much what we were doing back a few months ago. But if you're stuck on it, watch this video here, and it will guide you through. And the cool thing is, you have your equations, you plug it in, it gives you your answer. Amazing. And then from there, step 6, you want to answer 1 through 5 in part 5. And if you are stuck on any part of how to find solutions for your system, if you want to do some practice problems, or you're stuck on like, I have this information now, how does this relate to real life? Great question, y'all. I know y'all can interpret it, but sometimes we just need like quick reminder. Totes fine, totes fine. Click on this here and it'll be your example. And remember, these are your time suggestions. You may feel like I can get it done quicker, I need more time. Totally fine. This is just like a guidepost for you to feel like, okay, I got this. And then once you're completed, remember, please turn that document in. Please, 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 please. And if you feel like you're done with Mini QPA 1, or you're like, Miss, I'm not sure if I've completed it, remember, reach out to me and I can let you know, and it'll be great. It'll just be fabulous. And remember, if you've completed it, go on to Mini QPA 2, then the QPA. If you're fully done with everything, go back to Unit 5 and review. And if you're done with all that, there's only a handful of you that are, go do Miss Keith's work. Go do Miss D'Souza's work. Do your humanities teacher's work. Get some work done, y'all. It'll be great. So I'm going to sign off for now, and let's get started. It's going to be great. It's going to be great.